Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mitch and for today, I will be sharing my molten cake recipe. Okay, for the ingredients, I have here all-purpose flour, warm water, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla extract, eggs, and my granulated sugar. You don't need mixer nito, okay? So, bowl lang and hand whisk. Mix all dry ingredients, make a well at the center, and then add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, and then, after mixing, pag na-combine na siya ng maayos, set aside natin. Okay? Let's wait for our cake. Ayan, here's our cake. And then, the ganache. Lagay na natin. Tapos, cocoa powder, dust mo. And optional to, if you have chocolate chips, caramella, you can put it on top. Okay? So, after mo lagyan ng ganache, cocoa powder, and some decorations on top, chill this one for around mga 15 minutes bago ni slice. Okay? There you have it, our molten or giant molten cake. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. For any suggestions kung anong next recipe na gagawin ko, please comment down below. Thank you. Bye!